Well, good morning. God bless you. Amaryllis man reporting for duty. We're on the 12th day of October with a long hot summer. Temperatures up in the high 90s. And finally here in the fall, the magic green bulbs have bust open and bloomed for the second time. The thing I'm finding interested about this particular variety is how the maroon stripe has faded. It was much more noticeable, more brilliant when the bulbs first bloomed 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So I don't know what the problem is. Maybe it's not a problem, maybe it's natural. Might come back again better next year's blooming. So it's interesting. I continue to learn day by day like you do with these marvelous plants. So we got magic green. What a scene. Want you to know that our fall bulbs are in. You can order them on amaryllisman.com. We got healthy big bulbs, reasonably priced. See you there. One more peek. A fall bed of magic green. Bye-bye.